Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best heavy-duty ceiling hooks are probably one of the most versatile and sturdy hanging solutions for your home, garage, or workshop, allowing you to maximize your space and organize items efficiently. In this video, we will review and pick the top heavy-duty ceiling hooks based on weight capacity, material, installation methods, and overall user experience, helping you find the perfect hook for your specific needs and ensuring a safe and secure hanging solution. Number 5. Heavy-duty swing hangers. It's made of premium aluminum alloy, ensuring rust resistance and lasting durability. The extra hardened bottom protects it from harsh weather. These swing hangers feature specially designed, high-quality bearings. This ensures smooth, quiet rotation with no squeaking. Everything you need is included for easy installation. This includes screws, oval hooks, and washers. They're incredibly versatile. Use them for swings, yoga, sandbags, or even cradles. The possibilities are endless. We're so confident you'll love them, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Simply email us if you're not satisfied. With a capacity of over 5,000 pounds, these hangers are perfect for indoor or outdoor use. They're built to last. What we like. If you need a super strong and durable hook, this is your best bet. It's made of premium materials and comes with everything you need for easy installation. If you're looking for a reliable option for heavy-duty swings or other outdoor applications, this is it. Number 4. White ceiling hooks. These sturdy hooks are perfect for hanging a variety of items, from plants to curtains. They're designed to be strong and reliable, holding up to 25 pounds on solid walls. Installation is a breeze. It comes with both toggle bolts for hollow walls and screws for solid walls, making it suitable for any home. Use them to hang plants, wind chimes, light fixtures, or anything else you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. Made from high-quality metal, these hooks are built to last. They provide a secure hold for your items, ensuring peace of mind. Each package contains 6 complete sets of hooks, including bolts, screws, and toggle wings. Everything you need for a quick and easy installation is included. They can hold up to 25 pounds on solid walls and 15 pounds on hollow walls. Perfect for heavier items. What we like. This is a great value pack if you need multiple hooks. They're easy to install and suitable for a wide variety of hanging needs. If you are looking for an affordable solution for hanging plants, lights, or other lightweight items, this is a great choice. What people say. The Life Unite 6 sets white ceiling hooks for hanging plant are heavy-duty, swag toggle hooks made of metal with an antique brass finish. These hooks are designed to be mounted on the ceiling and can also be used for hanging wall mounts. Each set comes with 6 ceiling hooks, which can be used to hang various items, such as plant baskets, wind chimes, and swag canopies. The hooks feature long toggle bolts with spring toggle wings, making them suitable for solid walls. These hooks can support up to 25 pounds on solid walls. The sturdy metal construction of the hooks ensures durability, while the zinc-plated screws provide an added layer of protection against rust and corrosion. Number 3. Yoga Trapeze Ceiling Hooks. Introducing the Yoga Trapeze Ceiling Hooks, your key to a safe and effective aerial yoga practice. It's built to support up to 600 pounds, giving you the confidence to explore new poses. These heavy-duty hooks provide unwavering support for your workouts. They're designed to handle even the most intense yoga sessions. Whether you have wooden beams or concrete ceilings, these hooks adapt to your space. They are perfect for various fitness activities, not just yoga. The package includes everything for installation: anchors, wooden and concrete bolts. You'll be ready to hang your equipment in minutes. Installation is a breeze, no matter your surface. Clear instructions and included hardware make setup quick and easy. Take your workouts anywhere. These durable hooks are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, expanding your fitness options. What we like. If you need a heavy-duty hook for serious workouts, this is the one. It's incredibly strong and comes with all the necessary hardware for various mounting surfaces. If you're into yoga, gymnastics, or other suspension training, this is perfect for you. What people say. These are indestructible, I don't know what paint do they use, but after a long time, they haven't even scratched or peeled, even though I have heavier stuff, myself, from them using metal hooks. When not in use they are quite inconspicuous and do not bother on the eye. Use with gymnastics rings in my garage, holds my entire body just fine as a 185-pound male, very stable. I use these to rig different aerial silks. You have to be able to trust them when you're doing the type of things that I do on them or any other aerialist. They're multifunctional, not just for rigging aerial silks or a hammock. These are extremely secure and very, very strong. I'll be buying more for my home studio. Number 2. MHMYDZ Hammock Hanging Kit. This kit provides everything you need to hang your hammock safely and securely. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor use, transforming any space into your personal relaxation oasis. It boasts a 1,000 pounds capacity when properly installed, thanks to its high-quality stainless steel construction. Each component is designed for durability and long-lasting use. The kit is simple to install on various structures, from ceiling beams to sturdy posts. Just follow the instructions for a secure and stable setup. Hang it indoors in your bedroom or playroom, or outdoors on your veranda, in a garden, or gazebo. It's versatile enough for any location. Made with 304 stainless steel, it offers superior strength and weather resistance. The included screws are 50 mm long for a secure hold in wood. Please note, do not install screws into trees. Ensure all screws are fully inserted into the wood to prevent breakage. The kit supports 1,000 pounds static weight and 800 pounds with movement. What we like. This kit is perfect for hanging hammocks or other heavy items. It's made of high-quality stainless steel for ultimate durability and includes everything you need for easy installation. If you're looking for a strong and reliable solution for your hammock, this is the one. What people say. Works great for hanging my outdoor swing. Very easy to install and can hold a lot of weight. It is super strong and they haven't budged, even with my weight, 150 pounds. They were also super easy to install. The MHMYDZ Heavy Duty Hammock Hanging Kit is incredibly strong and durable. They're easy to install, and the carabiners are equally sturdy, making them great for both hammocks and other heavy-duty uses. Number 1. M8 Premium Pad Eye Hooks with Snap Hooks. These hooks are constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring rust and corrosion resistance for lasting durability. They're perfect for a variety of indoor and outdoor uses. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, these sturdy hooks provide reliable support for your needs. The unique U-shaped design adds extra security. The included snap hooks offer smooth, one-handed operation for quick connection and disconnection. They're ideal for attaching keychains, ropes, or backpacks. Use them for hammocks, swings, punching bags, or even securing items in your garage, boat, or on a roof beam. The possibilities are endless. Installation is a breeze. Simply use a drill to mount them securely to ceilings, posts, decks, or walls. Make sure to use a drill, a hammer could damage the screws. Each set includes 2 square pad eye plates, 2 snap hooks, 8 mounting screws, and 8 plastic expansion tubes. Everything you need for a secure and reliable installation. These hooks are carefully checked before packaging to ensure the highest quality. If you have any issues, contact us for a full refund within 30 days. What we like. If you need a versatile and strong hook with quick connect snap hooks, this is a great option. It's made of durable stainless steel and is perfect for a variety of indoor and outdoor uses. If you value convenience and strength, this is the hook for you. What people say. The screws were long enough to go through the nailer about an inch into the frame and the straps are easy to remove. This can easily stay up forever and no one sees them, but I can get up and down without killing myself. Super stable. I'm using these to secure a doggy gate on the side of my house, but I still want to be able to open it sometimes. It works perfect for the purpose. High quality. Easy to install. It's been holding up the fence for 2 years, with no issues so far. Very impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.